Hello everyone. This video session is on the Indian state Assam. Assam is a state in northeastern India. It is situated south of the eastern Himalayas along the Brahmaputra and Barak river valleys. Etymologically, the name Assam is associated with the Ahom people, originally called Shyam or Shan. The Ahom or Thai Ahom is an ethnic group, the descendants of the Thai people who reached the Brahmaputra Valley of Assam and the local indigenous people. Capital is Dispur, a suburb of Guwahati. The state is bordered by Bhutan and Arunachal Pradesh to the north, Nagaland and Manipur to the east, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram, and Bangladesh to the south, and West Bengal to the west via the Siliguri corridor. Assamese is the official language of Assam. Additional official languages are Bengali and Bodo languages. Also, there are speakers of Sylheti and Thai languages. A total of 6 Thai languages are spoken in Assam. National symbols of Assam: dance, Bihu dance; bird, white-winged wood duck; flower, Rhynchostilus retosa; tree, Dipterocarpus macrocarpus; river, Brahmaputra. There are 33 administrative districts in Assam. They are delineated on the basis of geographic features such as rivers, hills, and forests. These administrative districts are further subdivided into 54 subdivisions or Mahakuma. Every district is administered from a district headquarters with the office of the Deputy Commissioner, District Magistrate, office of the District Panchayat, and usually with a district court. On 27th of June 2016, an island in the Brahmaputra river was declared the Majuli district. This Majuli district is India's first district that is a river island. The Assamese economy is aided by wildlife tourism. This owes much to the Kaziranga National Park on the bank of the Brahmaputra river and the Manas Wildlife Sanctuary near the border with Bhutan. These are the two most prominent UNESCO World Heritage Sites. The national parks in Assam are Dibru-Saikhowa National Park, Nameri National Park, and the Orange National Park. Assam is well known for the one-horned Indian rhinoceros, the pygmy hawk, tiger, numerous species of birds, the wild water buffalo, and the Asian elephant. It is to be noted that Assam has conserved the one-horned Indian rhinoceros. Also, it is to be well noted that the state has the largest population of the wild water buffalo in the world. Also, Assam is remarkably rich in orchid species. Bihu is the most important festival celebrated all over Assam. It is the Assamese New Year that falls in April of the Gregorian calendar. Other festivals are Durga Puja, Baisagu, Beshoma, Bushudima, Chavankut, Ronkar, Garja, Bisu, Batov, Daud Utsav, Brahmaputra Beach Festival, Kaziranga Elephant Festival, Dehing Patkal Festival, Lakapani, Karbi Youth Festival, International Jadinka Festival. Other celebrations are Christmas, Eid ul-Fitr, Eid al-Adha, and Lachit Divas. Christians celebrate Christmas. Muslims celebrate two Eids, Eid ul-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. Lachit Divas is to promote the ideals of Lachit Borphukan, the legendary general of Assam's history. Ankiya Nat or Onkiya Nat comes under performing arts. It is a traditional Vaishnav dance drama, Bhavana, popular since the 15th century AD. It makes use of large masks of gods, goddesses, demons, and animals, and in between the plays, a Sutradhar continues to narrate the story. Speaking about dance forms, Bihu dance is performed during the Bohag Bihu. The major folk dances of tribal minorities are Kushan Nritya of Rajabongshis, Bagurumba and Bordo Sikla dance of Bodos, Mishing Bihu Banjar Kekan of Karpis, Jumeir of Tea Garden Community, Satriya or Satriya is a classical form of dance related to Vaishnav tradition. Other age-old dance forms are Barpeta's Bortal Nritya, Diyodhyani Nritya, Ojapali, Beulah dance, Kasha Tinglong Kardon, and Nimso Karong. Kamakya Temple is a pilgrimage site on the hilltop of Guwahati, the largest city in Assam. Umananda Temple is another pilgrimage site on the Peacock Island in the Brahmaputra River. Hajo and Madan Kamdev, they are the ruins of a temple complex, an ancient pilgrimage site that lie near Dispur, the suburb of Guwahati. Assam is well known for silk. Assam silk denotes the three major types of indigenous wild silks: golden muga, white patta, and warm airy silk produced in Assam. Swalkachi is the center of the Assam silk industry. Assam is well known for oil drilling too. Assam is the first site for oil drilling in Asia. It is to be noted that Assam has petroleum, natural gas, coal, limestone, and other minor minerals such as magnetic quartzite, kaolin, sillimonites, clay, and feldspar. Speaking about traditional crafts, the major traditional crafts of Assam include cane and bamboo craft, bell metal and brass craft, silk and cotton weaving, toy and mask making, pottery and terracotta work, wood craft, jewelry making, and musical instruments making. Assam's biggest contribution to the world is Assam tea. The agriculture makes the highest contribution to its domestic sectors, accounting for more than a third of Assam's income. Major agricultural produces are rice, rapeseed, mustard seed, jute, potato, sweet potato, banana, papaya, arecanut, sugarcane, and turmeric. Assam has one of the richest biodiversity zones in the world. This state has tropical rainforests, deciduous forests, riverine grasslands, bamboo, orchards, and numerous wetland ecosystems. Assam is also a land of high rainfall. It displays greenery throughout the year. Sultry forests are found in the state, as a result of which Assam receives abundant rainfall and looks green all year round. This rain feeds the Brahmaputra River and the tributaries of the Brahmaputra River and Oxbow lakes, provide the region with hydrogeomorphic environment. Hope you enjoyed this video session. Thank you.